Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Leanne. In today's video, I'm going to help you simplify and organize your finances with a budget binder. This is my budget binder. I'm going to show you how I set up my binder, and hopefully it will help inspire you to get your finances in order for good. Okay, so starting with the left side, I have some pockets here that I hold all my pens and pencils and things like that. In this pocket, I keep all my favorite pens and pencils. That way the kids don't steal them. I have some hole reinforcements that I really don't use anymore. And sticky notes for any quick notes or reminders that I may need. Over here I have my checkbook and a calculator, of course. Super important to have a calculator. I have some envelopes for bills that I send off. I only have one that I send off, but in the manila folder is our budget goals, where we plan different things like paying the Jeep off early, stuff like that. Oh, and I keep my stamps right there too. So that's it for the left side. Now to the right side, I have 8 pocket dividers. The pockets are extremely handy. The first divider is miscellaneous items. I keep any unexpected bills that may come up or notes. This is my due date tracker, which is a part of my free printable budget binder bundle. I'll leave links in the description. Super helpful for keeping track of all your due dates. This is the second free printable in my budget binder bundle, an annual expenses planner. As you can see, each month has different things that come up. For example, auto registration, birthdays, things like that. I always know what's coming up and I'm never caught off guard. I also use this for planning savings for Christmas. The next tab is my current monthly budget. I keep my monthly budget worksheets here. The budget worksheet is the third free printable in my bundle. There will be a link to my blog post in the description that shows you how to use these worksheets. I like to mark off each item as it goes out of my bank account. Okay, I cannot stress these pocket dividers enough. They're amazing, and there will be a link below. Next, I have my past monthly budgets. I keep these only for the current year. It can be helpful to look back when planning. The next one is for credit reports. We want to make sure there's no funny business. Then we have a pocket for tax time, things like W-2s. I like to keep a year's worth of electric bills in this pocket. I can pretty much know exactly how much my electric bill will be. And now my nemesis, passwords, the handwritten hot mess. Let me know in the comments what you do to keep track of your passwords. I keep some lined paper and a pocket for important receipts, usually auto parts that have warranties. And there you have it. Nice, neat, organized finances. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.